Hi everyone, my name is Piterpakulski. Today we will be building sensitivity analysis for our business idea, for our acquisition financial model. If you find this video valuable, you may give us a like, subscribe, share this video with your friends. You can also order financial models from scratch for your unique business ideas. We can help you with that. I will be giving all the links at the end screen of this video, the links to the playlist where all this stuff is allocated. And when the model will be ready, I will be placing all the links how I'm creating this financial model from scratch in the description of this video as well. So you can look video by video each tutorial to do the same. So today I will be creating sensitivity analysis. So first of all, we need to summarize the financials that we are going to test by adjusting this or that parameter of inputs. So first of all, what we need to do, we need to save this file, save a copy, and we need to save it as a macro enable workbook. So now we need to so we are done with, now we can create macro in our financial model. And first of all, let's summarize the financials. So parameter, value, parameter and value. So first of all, for example, we will take net income, then we will place net income. So we're looking at this diagram. This diagram uses as a source line 247. We will be placing this value for net income. So 247 go to the right. Then we are taking net present value. We can take it from net present value. We can take it from here. Then we will pull simple payback period value and discounted payback period value. Here they are together. Then we're looking at total financing needed. We will take this value from the table that we already created. Then we are taking profitability index, PI. So the formula will be 1 plus net present value divided by total financing needed. This will be profitability index. Then we are adding internal rate of return. Internal rate of return we are pulling from here. So we will be testing these financial efficiency parameters when we will be increasing and decreasing different types of inputs, like this, like any of these, expenses, inflation, so different investment expenses. And we will be looking what happens with these group of parameters.
So what I will do now, I will create a new tab and call it cents.
So I will be putting this link, this table here. And now, so here I will place the parameter value, so the basic value of parameter will be 1. I will make it red because this is the very important part of our exercise. So this is the parameter value, and then step of changing the parameter. So let's so this will be percentage, this will be the input, so we're coloring this cell with specific color. Let's assume that we will be adjusting the parameter with the step of 10%. So this will be 4, this will be basic value, this will be percentage format. So if this value minus this value if this value minus this value is less than 0, then we'll put 0, otherwise we will put this expression. Then here on the right I will write a little bit different formula. So here I'm increasing or decreasing the value of this parameter. So this will be the table of sensitivity analysis itself. So here we'll be increasing or decreasing the parameter of revenues or expenses, and here we will be able to see the values of financial efficiency for this or that scenario. So how this will work? So first of all, let's just copy the formats. So now let's just put here 100% instead of linking to this cell. And now let's write a very simple macro. So this will be I'm going to view macros, record a macro. I will call it sense. I will assign a shortkey for that, Ctrl+Q. And so what I'm doing now, I'm going here, press equals, and then link it to the first value of parameter. Then I'm copying these values, pasting them as values. Then I'm going back here, press equals, go here, enter, copy, paste these values, Now I'm just pressing the basic value of this parameter. Then I'm pressing this box. This means that I'm going to stop the recording the macro. And now if I delete this data and press Ctrl Q, the macro will be executed. And now what is valuable, so now this parameter is not linked to the model, it's living separately. But what we can do, we can go, for example, to the rent input. We can press equals and multiply this rent parameter to this red cell and then press enter. So now our sensitivity analysis will be testing how the revenue from the rent affects our financials. So now I can just go and press Ctrl Q. So now we can see how internal rate of return is growing, how net present value is growing, and now profitability index is growing. And now we can, for example, go here, and now we can, for example, add sensitivity parameter to the price of a new house or an apartment that we're buying. So we can press equals, multiply, then we are going to sensitivity analysis. We are adding this parameter. Now this parameter has been added, and without just deleting this information, we can just press Ctrl Q again. And now we can see on the contrary that the bigger price of the house that we are purchasing, the worse story we have with financial efficiency. And what we can do now, we can add, for example, we can go to developer, we can insert a bullet, we can macro name, we can assign to this bullet the macro that we've just written, and we can assign the name sense. And now we don't need to press Ctrl Q, we can just press the sense button and the macro will execute one more time. So for example, we can change the step of changing the adjustment of parameter. We can see we can, for example, go to what we can do. We can let's, for example, exclude the parameter from here and add parameter to amount of down payment. Press enter. then I go to sensitivity analysis tab and press sense button. So we can create any diagrams of that. So for example, insert, for example, we can diagrams of now we can add this parameter to
any inputs of revenues, expenses, and test our financial model, how stable our business idea is. So this was the story about sensitivity analysis. I hope you enjoyed this video. You may give us a like, subscribe, share this video with your friends. You can also order financial models from scratch for your unique business ideas. We can help you with that. I will be giving the link to the whole playlist where all these models, the creation of this model will be placed in the end screen of this video. And when we are done with this model, I will be placing all the links how I created this model in the description of this video. So thank you guys for watching. See you next videos. Thank you and bye.